back. My name is Angel. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a video. So let's just jump right into these organization ideas I have to share with you today. Let's start with the area by the kitchen sink. Many times we want things to be accessible, and sometimes it can become a disaster area or a mess here. So let's start there. So first, I'm gonna start with removing everything and just cleaning up the space. And I found this organization bin on Amazon. I will leave links to everything below. So it's really cool because it has like separated spaces. That's a box so it can hide like labels and stuff to keep your area looking clean. So I'm just gonna stick some dish soap in there, and then I'm also gonna use the other space to store the brushes. Now I like to keep erasers around my sink. I do clean with erasers a lot in my kitchen, and it has a space for an eraser, which is great, or a sponge if you use sponges. And also it has another space for any type of sitting brush, and I put my bottle brush in that area. Also, here's another little organizer I found on Amazon. It's really cute. It's white so it doesn't really stick out. And I'm going to use this to store my hand soap as well as another dish brush. These are just some ideas to help you clean up your sink area to make it a little more organized. Here's an idea if you have like lots of dog treats. So we have 2 dogs, and I found these little ceramic jars that has like roof on them. It's really cute, but they are heavy duty. They're white and they seal the treats. I'm gonna store our dog treats in these because we always are using them in our bedroom and giving them treats and stuff. Ceramic jars come in really handy to store dog treats in. Here's one of my little doggies. She wants a treat. This is our small dog. We also have a big dog. Here's another idea for storing a lot of like nail care for your dogs. I decided to use this little caddy that I found from, I think I got it from Dollar Tree or Walmart, but it's a really small little caddy. I decided to store everything related to their hygiene in here, their nail care, their teeth care, and other little things in here. It's easy to carry because we can go from room to room and it can all get stored together. Here's another really great storage item. It's a caddy. It's a really long caddy, which I love. It has tons of organization areas in here, small, medium, and a few large as well. I decided to use this as a first aid caddy because it's usually, I'm looking for a band-aid, I'm usually looking for some type of ointment also, and it's just easy to have everything together. So it just came in really good handy for storing all of my first aid gear. So here's another really cool organization hat. I'm just gonna take this wooden tissue box that I have, which I love, by the way. I love tissue boxes because they hide those ugly boxes and just make your decor look really good. I'm gonna use it to store my extra grocery bags. All I'm gonna do is roll a grocery bag up and hold the handles open while I stick another garbage bag through it and stick it in the box. It's easy peasy, and it's a easy, simple way to store your bags as well as, you know, keep your home nicely decorated. Another great organization find that I found on Amazon was this battery organizer. Now we have batteries everywhere, so this came in really good handy for us because it's just a carrying bag, and it also comes with a battery tester so you can test your charge on your batteries. And so you can store any size battery in this. This bin stores over 300 batteries, and it's just a really great item to have to keep everything together. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not, and make sure to like this video if you did enjoy it. Also, drop me a comment below. Share with me your favorite organization idea from this video, or just stop in to say hi. I'll see you guys in my next video.